we made Jacob Pasquilli's fish fingers. And this is how you can do it. Hi guys, Mr. Z here for another episode. Of course, today we have a very, very, very special guest. We're gonna cook a childhood dish. We have here the best part from Ollie and Jacob, Jacob Pasquill. Welcome. What's a dish from the childhood that made your life what it is today? Made you the man that you are today?
Fish. Brain food. Very clever, mate.
Okay. Fish what?
Fish fingers.
Fish fingers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Beans as well.
Beans as well?
Yeah.
What kind of beans you like?
Baked beans.
Baked beans?
Yeah, Heinz.
Yeah?
Heinz. But I've never had Mr. Z's baked beans and I'm guessing they're going to be better than Heinz.
Of course. You know, it's
But
Heinz. Hey. These are Judion. Look at him. From Spain. These are the best beans you can find in the whole world. And I'm gonna make them
like baked beans.
precisely like baked beans.
They'd have to be a bit smaller.
You'll see about it. No, they're gonna be big. Big beans. Fish fingers. This is halibut, fresh. They caught it today.
I've had halibut from the chippy before.
Guess how big a halibut is in sizes, usually.
Well, I'm guessing it's a big fish.
How does a halibut look like?
Don't know what an halibut
Like
looks
how Freeze's face. No,
Wow,
I'm joking.
that's disgusting.
What we're gonna do is super simple. Remove the skin of the fish. Super nice, super easy. Beautiful smell,
Smells
no?
like Blackpool.
Beautiful.
Smells like half the women from Blackpool as well. Jesus.
It's a very good smell if you think about it. It's not fish, it's fresh. You
Yeah,
know?
that's not fresh defence.
So-
to be fair, it's not dead fish here. In fact, the women from Blackpool are worse than this.
Of course, you know. So we want 1 index long
Yeah.
fish finger, something like this in half,
Yeah.
and maybe in half again.
Yeah.
The reason I got halibut, most probably you used to eat. Do you used to eat frozen?
My grandma used to try and do homemade, but at home my mum and dad was busy parents, so yeah, it'd be frozen fish fingers. But by the way, this
Yes.
is Ollie Bowles' favourite dish. I remember we had the call on this, and my favourite dish weren't fish fingers.
Ollie Ball is missing out.
Ollie Bowles missing out, yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm having Ollie Bowles' favourite childhood dish.
Look at
here.
that, look at that.
What's Ollie doing?
Ollie's
Lulu.
ill.
We have the fish finger, beautiful halibut, look at this. Beautiful. Nice.
Big plate.
We need to do the batter, right?
Yeah.
So I have a very, very, very old technique from an
Yeah.
old English grandma
Yeah.
and taught me how to make the best batter in the whole world.
You're making homemade butter?
Of course. No, batter.
Oh,
Batter.
I thought you were in butter. I'm like, how can you make butter?
Okay, so we have flour.
Flour.
Plain flour. Easy, nice, beautiful.
Well then, yeah.
2 spoons.
Mhm.
We have eggs. These are cackle bean. Best eggs
Cackle
in the world. Really nice. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Have you ever put mayonnaise in a batter?
No, I've never put.
Today's the day. Here's the trick from the old
I
grandma.
thought you were gonna put some like beer in it.
No, because you need to make fish fingers. You
Yeah.
cannot. You cannot do that. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Beer batter is for fish and chips.
But you could do it with fish fingers as well.
I'm gonna put also some butter, so some beer as well.
Yeah.
Can I put also some beer
Yeah.
with the eggs?
Yeah, let's put some beer in.
Yeah.
Beer battered fish fingers. It's never been a thing.
With mayonnaise.
With mayonnaise.
Okay, done. Fuck it.
There we go. Perfect beer as well. It's nice and fruity.
What do you think of the texture?
Probably a bit more.
No.
I don't know.
No. It's nice. Look at this. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
that's
perfect.
perfect.
We have the batter done.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some breadcrumbs here. Chicken gravy. Look at this. Breadcrumbs in. So one hand is gonna be wet. Do you wanna do it with me?
Yeah,
So I'm gonna put them in here. You put them in here.
Yeah.
You coat them and then you put them on the plate. Okay? You see? Look at this. Oh, stunning. Go for it. Make them nice and beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure everything is nice and coated.
Like that.
Go for it. Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Go. Amazing.
Feels kind of nice this.
All right. Good. Let's go wash your hands.
You know, it's like getting off PVA glue.
Do you want an apron?
Oh yeah, go on.
Do you want a white apron or an apron from Osteria Francescana, which is the best restaurant in the world?
Yeah, I'll have one from there.
So I made some potatoes for you yesterday.
Oh.
So these, you take potatoes, you take whole potatoes, you slice them, you peel them, you slice them, you blanch them, and you freeze them. These things are gonna be crispy outside and gonna be creamy inside. They're not
Creamy?
cooked, they're frozen.
Creamy, a creamy chip.
Yes, insane. Leave them here.
Only Mr. Z can do that.
Do a combination of 2 different oils. One of them is a cold pressed rapeseed oil. Just keep going like this. Like that. Like this. Hot oil, we're gonna make it really fucking hot, okay?
Yes.
Only for you. And then in another pan, we're gonna do duck fat, okay?
Duck fat.
So start to put all the duck fat in there. Very good. And then throw it away.
Who's the best person to cook for?
The best in terms of personality,
Yeah.
I gotta say, Justin Bieber. Yeah, that's a very good voice. Are you a singer?
No, I didn't want to write a song.
So for you, you have something very, very special, which is the way you do the beans if you weren't born in UK. Tomato paste, then ketchup, brown sugar, and some water.
Do you know what they call water in Wigan? They call it wafer.
Wafer?
Some wafer.
Wafer.
That's what I was thinking of. Like, well, why
What for?
wafer? You know, you think my accent's thing, you go to Wigan, my accent sounds posh. My mates, in fact, have all gone, your accent's gone well posh.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
When I said it's all the time, spending up in London.
Doesn't sound posh at all. What we're gonna do, we're gonna heat this up.
Yes.
And then we're gonna mix it with our Albion.
Albion? They're big beans.
Oh yes. Listen. Oh. It's beautiful. I can see that you are a big foodie, you know? That's something that...
I am a big foodie, but that smells like ass.
If you're a big foodie, ass is good for you. Oh yes. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook this slow temperature.
Yeah.
We're gonna add some water. We're gonna dilute the sauce down a little bit because they're a bit raw still. Water, we're gonna have this cooking.
Yeah.
How do you test if an oil is hot or not?
Put your hand in.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Take one.
Yeah.
And you just touch it a little bit. It's not hot at all.
Not hot.
Not at all. Duck fat.
Yes.
Fries. Okay.
I'm excited to try these fries actually.
They're gonna be the best thing you ate in your life.
What do you reckon of McDonald's fries?
They're fucking shit.
No, but when you get them fresh and good, they are good.
They're not fresh. These are fresh.
Yeah, no. I've not had Mrs. E's fries though. Up north we love our chips.
Okay, so I think this oil could be ready.
Could be.
Do like 4 at a time.
You 4 at a time?
4 at a time.
I'm like an amateur.
That's it, done.
I'm an oil virgin.
One more and one more. That's it. Beautiful.
I'm an oil virgin. I thought you meant 4 in one hand at a time.
No.
Oh, like that's such a...
Oh.
They look
Huh? What do you think? Are they ready?
Yeah. No, not ready just yet. You need to get them a bit.
It looks like they're ready.
Oh, well, I don't
Look
know.
at this. Why is it one broken, man?
They're ready.
Come on.
That must be my fault.
Okay, drop the rest. Drop the rest. 4 at a time, yeah? Remember. Boom. Go for it. Go for it. Boom. Nice.
You just drop them in like that.
Yeah, you would gently. Like that.
Ooh.
Beautiful. You're fucking everything around. Remember, clean house, clean mind. So, we're gonna take them out, raise the temperature of the duck fat, and chuck them back in for an extra crispiness.
They may be the best fish fingers I've ever smelled.
So we just fried them at 135 degrees.
Yeah.
We're gonna fry them now at 185 degrees. Okay? Fries go in. Go back in the very hot duck fat. Oh yes, look at this. Let's try one. Go for it, take it.
I've never seen someone touch a chip so beautifully in their life.
Some salt.
Yeah.
You know this? Salt flakes. You know salt bay?
Yeah.
Go for it. Salt it. Salt it. Not on the fucking table, on the chips. Vinegar.
Give it some lashings.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh.
Here we are. Fish fingers, baked beans, fries. Let's try the beans.
It tastes like Heinz. Better than Heinz, to be fair.
And that's it.
Yeah, actually are better than Heinz.
So this, look at this. Look how flaky it is. Look how flaky.
This one was a good one.
No, with your hands.
Yeah.
We're doing forks and knives in here.
We're not.
Not only for the beans.
Only for the beans.
And these for the hands. Look at this.
Oh.
Look how flaky.
Have you ever had fish fingers and chips?
I have. Terrible though, because this is another level. Fresh, fragrant, juicy.
Actually, it's the best fish fingers and chips I've ever had. So basically, the fish finger, nice and flaky.
Crispy.
Breadcrumb, nice and then nice and light, not heavy.
Yeah.
Chips, nice and fries actually, not chips.
Fantastic, no? Creamy, crispy. Better than McDonald's or worse?
I'd say they're better than McDonald's.
Very good.
Not as good as Five Guys.
This bunch of fries costed me £120.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Not bad, you know? Guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, we're here for that. Go check out Jacob's channel, Jacob and Oli channel.
Chef.
It's gonna be the personal chef, my personal chef.
I didn't cook you dinner though, because this was dinner.
Well, for lunch, breakfast and lunch though, you know, it was not bad.
It wasn't bad breakfast and lunch, but...
We're not gonna reveal anything. Go check out the video right now. I'm Mr. Z. I'm happy that Jacob was here. Fish fingers, fantastic. Changed his life. Oli, you're missing out? Next time, come here. Put your ass into the seats. Guys, I'm Mr. Z. Thank you for watching. See you to the next one.